Hi friends. Now I'm going to teach you how to clean your monitor. Firstly, let's see the required things for cleaning the monitor. Distilled water, isopropyl alcohol, brush, microfiber cloth, empty spray bottle. Making composition: 1/4 with isopropyl alcohol, and fill 3/4 part of distilled water. Shake the spray bottle like this. Now the composition is ready to use. Cleaning process: gently clean the screen corner with brush to remove the dust on screen corner, as shown. Now, take microfiber cloth and spray the composition on it. Clean the entire monitor screen.